Good morning, dear students. Now, this is your social studies. From today, we will start this new subject also. And your first lesson is changes in a family. Your first lesson is changes in a family. So now, children, tell me, what is a family? What is a family? Okay, this you have also studied in class 2nd in EVS about your family, about types of family, that is joint family and nuclear family. You have studied, children? Okay, so now in class 3rd, you will study all these things in detail. You will study all these things in detail. Open the book, children. Just see, this is the social studies book. And this is your lesson 1, changes in a family. Now, children, tell me, what is a family? Tell me, what is a family? Now, children, listen carefully. I'll explain you. Not word by word. I'll just explain you, and you have to read the lesson. You have to read this lesson again and again. Now, tell me, children, what is a family? Family is a name given to the people who are very dear to us. Who are very dear to you, children? Who are dear to you? Your father, your mother, your uncle, aunt, grandparents, your cousins, your brothers, your sisters. They all are dear to you, children? Yes. And so they are your family. So they are your family. The first line is very important. Family is the collective name given to the people who are very dear to us. Family can be defined as a group of people who are closely related to one another by way of blood, marriage or adoption. Now, next line is also very important. That is, family is the smallest unit of the society. It is the backbone of the society. It is the backbone of the society. Whatever lines I am underlining, children, you also underline and you read this line carefully. You have to learn this line. Now, children, what do you do in the family? What are the things you do in the family? You share your feelings, your thoughts, your happiness, your sorrows with your family. Do you do all these things? Yes, you share all these things in your family. You share with the grandparents, with your parents, with your brothers and with your sisters. You share all these feelings. It is your first school of your life. Whatever you learn, the basic things that is important in your life, like sharing, caring, respecting elders, helping everyone, taking care of parents, all these things you learn in your family. Your family, your house, your home, it is your first school of your life. Your family, your house, your home, it is your first school of your life. You eat, you play, you laugh, you pray, everything you do together in the family. You do all these things with your brothers, sisters, with your parents. You do all these things. Now, children, the elders of your family. Who are the elders of your family? Your parents, your grandparents. What do they do in your family, children? What do they do? The elders of your family, they take care of you and your family members. Whereas children, you all are the children, no? What you all do? You all go to school, you study and you play and you enjoy. Whereas the elders of your family, they earn money and they take care of you and your family members. Clear, children? Now, there are 2 types of families. There are 2 types of families. First one is the joint family. First one is the joint family. Joint family is also called a big family. Why? Why, children? Because in joint family, we live with our parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins. In Hindi, we say Dada ji, Dadi ji, Chacha ji, Chachi ji, Bhai, Behan. All together. They all together make a joint family. They all together make a joint family. And children, remember, joint family is from paternal side. Of the paternal side. Paternal side means, children, from the side of your father. Joint family is from the side of your father. As you can see in the picture now, joint family is from the side of your father. Come on the next page. In joint family, all members share things equally. Children, in joint family, so many members are there, no? So all the members of the family share the things equally. All children get equal share of love, care and guidance, education by the elders and grandparents. Everything you get equally. Care of your parents, love of your parents, they educate you equally. Everything is done equally in joint family. In joint family, all children play together. They play with their dadaji and they listen stories from their dadiji. Joint family has unity among the members of the family, children. Joint family has the unity among the members of the family. They help and they care for each other. But children, nowadays, listen carefully children, nowadays, because of many reasons, some members of the family, they live away from their joint family. Because of some reasons, they live in another cities, far away. So nowadays what is happening, children? You will not find joint family everywhere. Clear, children? So that joint family is the first type of family, and the second type of family is your nuclear family. Second type of family is your nuclear family. Now, what is nuclear family, children? What is nuclear family? Nuclear family is a small family that consists father, mother and their children. That consists father, mother and their children. It is a very small family where father earns and mother is a housewife. But sometimes father and mother, both of them work for the family, children. It's not always that only father is working and mother is a housewife. In many houses, what happens? Father and mother both works and they earn for the family. Now what happens in this family, children? What happens? Children enjoy and play with their parents or neighbors. Why? Because they are not living in joint family. So they enjoy with their neighbors and with their parents, only with their father and mother. Now, in nuclear family, children are not able to enjoy with their grandparents. They are not able to listen the stories. They are not able to play with their grandparents, with their uncle and aunt and all. But children, in the vacations, like in winters or in summer vacation, when you get they visit their grandparents and enjoy. They visit their grandparents and they enjoy. But most of the time, these children, they spend their time by watching television. These children in family, in nuclear family, they spend their time in watching television, or they use mobiles, or they spend their time on doing some work on the computer. This is your second type of family. So there are two types of family, children: nuclear family and joint family. There are two more types of family, that is single parent family. What is single parent family? Now children, in this family, children live with their mother or with their father. Any one parent, they live with any one parent. They can be the mother or the father. They are called single parent family. Next one is working parents. Next one is working parents. In nuclear family, children, sometimes father and mother, both of them, they both work and they earn for the family. So they are called working parents. Now, to take care of the children or to do the household work, they keep maids. They keep maids. Who are maids, children? Who are maids? People who are paid to do the household work. People who do your household work, they are paid for it. They are the maids. Now, in this case, children, you know what happens? In this case, sometimes father also helps mother to do the household work. Now, children, in this joint family, this line you underline, joint families basically consist of the parents of the paternal side. In joint family, your father, mother, grandparent, grandmother, uncle, aunt, sibling and cousins live together. This important line here, what I have underlined, that is important. In nuclear family, nucleus family are the families which have parents and children. They are also called a nuclear family is a small family. Important line here, don't do anything. Here also in this paragraph also don't do anything. Now, birth of a sibling. Birth of a sibling. What do you mean by sibling? Birth of your brother or a sister. Birth of your brother or a sister. Birth of sibling. It means addition of new member in your family. That can be the birth of a baby boy or a baby girl. The baby takes birth in the hospital, and at this time we celebrate and we welcome the new member in our family. Now children, things change after the birth of your sibling because it adds a new member in your family. So many things changes. Many things changes. Now this underline you will underline, birth of a sibling refers to the addition of a new member in a family. These are the important lines that you have to underline in your book. So your next point is marriage in the family. Next point is marriage in the family. What is marriage, children? What is marriage? Marriage means coming together of an adult man and adult woman. They legally agree and become husband and wife. They legally agree. They legally agree and they become husband and wife. Everyone, according to their culture, perform their ceremonies. If everyone is having their own culture, no, according to that, they get married. A marriage can increase or it can also decrease the size of a family. How, children? When a girl gets married, she leaves her family and go with her husband. Go with her husband. So what happens? Her family size is reduced. Her family size is reduced, whereas the family size of the boy increase. Family size of the boy is increased because he brings the girl, no, he brings his wife, whereas the size of the girl, the family size of the girl is decreased and the family size of the boy is increased. Marriage are the occasions of great happiness, children. Marriage are the occasions of the great happiness. We get new clothes, we get new jewelry, so many things we get, new things we get. All relatives from different countries and cities come together and we all enjoy together. We all enjoy together. We enjoy, we sing, we dance and we celebrate. So children, marriages are the opportunity to meet all your relatives who live far away and you are not able to meet them always. So you meet them in the marriages. So the important point in this lesson is family is the collective name given to the people who are very dear to us. You have also underlined it at the back. That also you read and this also you read. Family is the smallest unit of the society where two or more generations live together. A joint family is a big family which has parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, siblings and cousins. A nuclear family is a small family which has parents and children. In some families, both the parents work to earn money. So they are called what, children? They are called working parents. Marriage is a happy occasion which increases or decreases the size of the family. Marriages are enjoyed by everyone, especially the children. So these lines you have underlined at the back also. Read, children. Read it again and again. So the lesson will be clear. Okay, children. Now, in the next video or photo, I will complete the exercise. Clear, children? I will complete the exercise. So you all just sit and read the lesson and listen the video. Thank you very much.